Audio Jungle.
Tell me one thing you find very annoying about me.
You don't have so much space on your phone.
What do you mean?
If I start, your phone will die.
Andre, what is that one thing you find very annoying about me? Okay, so we're playing. Andre, what is the rule?
Don't move your ass too much.
Why?
Tower will fall.
Okay, let's do this. Come on, Andre, move. I'm not moving my ass. Hey. Hi, what's up, Andre?
Hello.
Andre, are you running away from me?
Yes.
Andre, you think I'm fat? You think I'm fat?
You asked me already. I told you.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.